The universe, which others call the Echo, is composed of matter which is only slightly held together by very weak forces. It took tremendous amount of time for it to evolve to its final form, which is still slowly changing. There are irregular stars occupying vast vacuum which provide weak soft light. Normal matter in the form of a foam surrounds those stars. In some lucky places which are close enough to an energy source, life can develop. There is no day or night. Universe is mostly static. It takes billions of years for the slightest change to happen in this world. Surfaces of those living places are irregularly shaped and create vast network around those stars. Almost infinite amount of foam surface exists. This creates opportunity for cosmic variety of life. Most of the life existing in this universe is unknown, hidden from curious eyes forever in the darkness. More distant areas of the foam network far from stars are always dark, without energy, with only small local heat sources. Only small percent of those spaces have been mapped. Trillions of intelligent civilizations exist in this universe, which are disconnected by vast distances. Creatures in this world have different shapes and forms. They are able to process foam matter and convert it into structures and machines. They live by absorbing heat energy. When heat is gone, they freeze forever and remain static. Civilizations can communicate, but in most cases they will never be able to meet. Even if they attempt to travel for billions of years, they will only cover a small fraction of the distance needed to overcome separation. To communicate, they use signals which can get through space almost instantly. Even if civilization is on the opposite side of the universe, communication is possible. All highly developed civilizations were able to create relay networks which allow everyone willing to communicate to do so, even if their homeworld is hidden behind the foam pillar. Complex holographic technology along relays have been developed to overcome distance issues. Transmission might include visual representation of the sending party. This way, it is possible to have almost instant visual communication with civilizations on the other side of the universe. It was possible to create vast library which contained knowledge from all parts of the universe, which could speed up efforts to discover true meaning of the existence. Finding ways to travel across the universe is the final goal of all highly developed civilizations. Surprisingly, communities which are connected represent only around 5% of all intelligent creatures. Many civilizations simply do not want to talk. Some argued with others billions of years ago and ceased all forms of communication. Despite repetitive signals being sent toward their direction, they remain silent. It seems that ability to choose to communicate or remain silent is a fundamental law of this universe. What is known? You communicate only when you are ready. Another group are so-called outcast civilizations which behave almost like a cult. They mysteriously disagreed without clear reason with the other connected groups many eras ago and occupy less habitable spaces. They try to avoid communication with the others and protect privacy at all costs. They are masters of survival without access to heat and are very dangerous. Whoever will travel into regions which outcasts occupy will probably never come back, and all their possessions will be taken to prevent leaving any traces. No one knows what they plan or what they discovered. Many generation traveling groups also exist. They left their home civilizations and travel across the foam surface to find the others. Some of those groups travel for millions of years and split thousands of times into smaller parties to take a new direction, never reaching any destination. Most of them already forgot what was their origin, and many of them lost technology to communicate with the others. Wise scientists figure out the far future of this universe. Measurements shown that the destiny of this realm is eternal freeze. Some trillions years from now, all weak light will be gone and stars will decay into normal matter, creating a secondary foam surface. And then everything will finally slow down to become completely static and never changing, including all living creatures.